I'm a third and last year student of the Human Resource Management Honors Program. I started the program because I didn't want to lose touch with the work field after working in between studies. Also the freedom to choose projects of your own attracted me. After submitting my motivation, all students who applied got together for an assessment in which teachers could see if the honors program was the right fit for them.
The honors program aims at developing the competences of our talented and selected students by broadening and enhancing their skills and knowledge. And we motivate them to explore their boundaries and even beyond their boundaries.
I got selected to become an honors student and I was very excited to start with new projects. It helped me to develop faster and to develop in different fields. My drive is to develop skills which are not involved in my study. The honors course gives me the chance to do this.
During the assessment, we were encouraged to point out our core values. We were also presented a case which we had to create and demonstrate a solution for.
Throughout the year, the student does all kinds of different projects, and the students add all these results and products in a digital portfolio. He also fills in an assessment form in which he defines his level of competence, and we discuss this level of competence in an assessment interview.
This interview is based on the competences and skills I want to develop the coming years, but at the end I don't get assessed by the products I deliver, but by my personal development.
Teachers also share their view, and that's a conversational setting. Although I like to work very independently, you feel you get a bond with the teachers because you are less in an I say, you do environment.
I think this way of assessment leads to student ownership. It leads to a focus on the development rather than the grades and products. And it also leads to an image for the students of the competences that are needed to be an excellent professional.